Today, I'm going to teach you how to defame anyone, even a figure of serene wisdom like Bodhi. All you need is thin air, a little imagination, and blind faith in the internet. Let's go. Step 1. Make up a case, just because you can. In the bustling digital realm, filing a case is like ordering a cloud-based pizza, available 24/7. Truth? Who cares? Evidence? Optional. Just accuse them of something, like secretly hoarding all the world's enlightenment. Or perhaps, a shocking fondness for loud, clanging cymbals. Whatever sounds dramatically out of character. And when someone asks, just say, hey, there's a case. Must be true. Our target? The much-revered Bodhi, known for his profound peace and quiet contemplation. A character named Zara decided Bodhi was secretly hoarding all the city's quiet moments, forcing everyone to listen to loud, incessant chatter. A grave crime against tranquility, she declared, without a single silent moment in sight. 2. Create fake articles, citing each other. Next, Zara and her equally cunning accomplice, Omar, whipped up a few articles, from different sources of course. They made sure each article quoted the other, like a never-ending loop of lies. Google it? You'll find fake stuff on everyone, even legendary figures. So why not Bodhi? Multiple sources confirm, because they all copied each other. One article. The Enlightened One's egregious error claimed Bodhi had a secret stash of disco balls. Another, Serenity Sabotage, Bodhi's blaring blunder, echoed the loud symbol's accusation. Neither had a single disco ball, nor a clanging cymbal. The articles were filled with made-up quotes and dubious eyewitness accounts. Step 3. Build a website, because who checks anyway? Most people don't click past the headline, let alone verify facts. So Zara built a basic website, repeating the same info from the articles. She added a section called Sources, which linked right back to the same fake articles. Boom, instant legitimacy, text overlay, looks legit. Step 4, YouTube reactions, the influencer trap. Now Zara hired 3 YouTubers, Brenda, Chad, and Kyle, to react to this scandal. Their video was titled, Spiritual Guru or Secret Party Animal. They used emotional music, added dramatic subtitles, and mixed in some fake outrage. People believe influencers more than newspapers anyway. Kyle, the third influencer, dramatically clutched his chest. I can't believe Bodhi would do this, he exclaimed, even though he'd never heard of Bodhi until 5 minutes ago. The comments section exploded with outrage, filled with emojis and exclamation marks. Step 5. Viral clips, the social media weapon. Finally, Zara edited short clips from all those YouTube videos. She added sensational quotes, used bright red circles, collaged Bodhi's serene face with flashing fire emojis, and a speech bubble saying, party time. Then she'd say, I'm just sharing what others are saying. Because remember, if you repeat a lie enough times, people think it's truth. The big reveal, circular reasoning equals full power. This is called circular reasoning, when lies support lies, wrapped up as proof. Like saying, he's guilty because there's a case, and there's a case because he's guilty. Perfect for confusing people and silencing truth. So next time you see a viral video or sensational article, before you cancel someone, ask, where's the real evidence? Or is it just a web of make-believe? Like, share, and think. Welcome back to Destroy a Reputation 101.